So the kids made, what did you guys make?
Like a breakfast bake. It's
know.
chorizo,
know.
potato, egg, and some onions.
I decided this very impromptu. Hubby still actually just got up. And so, yeah, you guys can give it to him.
Okay.
Sorry if it tastes bad.
What is it for? We don't even know.
Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day to the best daddy.
Guys, love you.
Love
Taste
you too.
test. All right, Hubs.
Looks good. I like how the egg still looks slightly uncooked. Dip, dip, dip.
It's kind of gross.
Is it good?
Very nice. Oh, is this why you guys bought chorizo?
Yeah.
You guys went grocery shopping yesterday, right?
Yeah. That's fine.
Very tasty.
Very tasty. Oh, what does it say? Have a great Father's Day. Did you make that, Miss S?
Yeah.
It's very cute.
Looks good. Well done, kiddies.
Well done, kiddies.
There's one more surprise.
Tonight, but I'm not going to tell you.
Oh, that you guys got another surprise.
Yeah.
But the next surprise is of equal value.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'll film that too. But yes, there is another surprise here. Do you want to finish? Do you want it now?
Yeah, okay.
Or are you still eating?
No, but no.
Okay. All right. You might need to make room. Oh, you guys are eating. Okay, you guys have a taste. Have a taste. Yeah?
Okay.
It's good. We tried it before. A little bit.
Okay, you try, Miss S.
That's good.
Yeah, it's good. It's nice.
I like it.
So this is the surprise I have for hubby, and I'm just about to give it to him now. Happy Father's Day.
I think I know what this might be.
Maybe you don't.
Oh, yeah, I know where it's.
The kids are eating all your breakfast
I don't eat all
now.
my breakfast.
Let's go, Gab. We'll had one bite.
Oh wow, this is from Cartier.
Cartier?
Can I open it?
Yes. Hey, sunshine. I'm gonna put that in, you know. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, hubby's unboxing. Raw morning vlog. Just woke up.
Oh, so nicely wrapped. I don't want to wrap it. Wait, let's do it from here. What is it, kiddies?
I don't know. You have to see and find
Handbag.
out. Yeah.
I just see how it just opened up.
Yeah.
That was cool. Oh, I know it's not a bracelet or a ring.
It's a clutch.
I'm more used to seeing you getting these. Oh, another box.
Oh, this box is so
Oh,
nice.
look. It must be a watch because it's got this.
Well, let's have a look.
Yeah, you never know. Could
Dun
be
dun
the lucky charm.
dun.
Oh, wow. How did you get this? This
That's
is
the
not
one
a-
you wanted, right?
Yes,
This
I
is
did.
the latest release.
Wow, this is amazing.
Do you want to tell everyone what it is?
This just came out. This is actually the Cartier tank must, or Cartier tank must, as they say it. I actually have not seen any on Instagram or Facebook, so
Yes.
you've done a very good job to get this.
This was I actually got this from Watches of Switzerland. So yes, I have been inquiring about it. So guys, just to let you know, this is the brand new.
Can you see it? It's a bit
Yeah,
dark, isn't it?
sorry. This is just in our bedroom. But it comes in 3 colors: the red, the green, and the blue.
But you chose the red. I love the red.
I was nearly gonna go with the blue, but
no.
I went with the red because I just thought the red was very Cartier, and
Cartier.
yeah, and also that you don't have anything like this.
You know, I have not seen any of these online.
Really? Do you
These
wanna
are
try it
really
on?
hard to get.
Really?
Yeah, and I love this color because
Well, I've
it's
been
the
asking
Cartier
for
red.
it since it's come out. It's just the delivery's been delayed.
Kids, did you pay for this?
Yeah.
Yup.
Team effort.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it how it's just classic. And it's actually in steel.
Yeah.
Do you know that? I was
Yeah, I
actually
knew
reading
it was
up on this
stainless
about
steel.
2 months ago. It's in stainless steel and it's actually a quartz movement, which is good for every day.
Yeah.
And I really like this gemstone, this cabochon. It's really pretty.
And you know what? It's a great unisex piece. So I'm gonna borrow it.
Oh, yeah, borrow away. That's fine.
Okay, let's try it on.
This is my first Cartier watch.
So,
Oh wow, that's really
a-
tight. Oh, wait. It's better just to slide it off. Yeah.
probably, yeah. So, he said to me that the alligator strap may be a bit stiff to begin with, but I think it's just beautiful.
Oh, check it out, guys. I can't put it on properly yet. It's a bit stiff, but
Okay, why don't you put it on? Put it on properly. You want to borrow it, Sunshine?
Okay.
It's not your color, right? If it was black.
Yeah, black and white.
it's actually it's a classic watch. It's an iconic watch. This is actually like a reinvention of the 1970s version. Okay,
Does it-
alright. I think I just oiled it up.
Let's have a look. I think it should be... Do you wear it a bit lower?
No, it's about there.
About there?
It's just a bit stiff.
Okay.
Hey, look, it goes well with my hairy arms.
Everything goes well with your hairy
Check it out,
arms.
kids.
Yeah, look.
Kids are like, I don't know about that. I
Yeah,
don't know
the kids' reaction. Sunshine's like, what's your first impression?
It looks cool. Retro.
Kind of small.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're meant to be small. This is actually the large size. This is based on
very
the
classic.
large tank size too.
Yeah, it looks very retro because I like it.
Do you like it?
I love it. Thank you. Thanks, kids.
Happy
for paying
Father's
for it.
Day and,
It's okay, it's okay.
and for the yummy breakfast, and there's more surprises to come.
Thanks.
Okay, so this is the second surprise that Miss S and Sunshine made for Daddy for Father's Day. What is this?
It's like a Nutella cheesecake, and we like put these in the middle of it.
Oh my gosh, yum.
Now we're adding cream, and then we'll add cocoa powder, and then more of these on top. I'm just gonna spread it.
Did both of you do this together?
Yes, we did. Sunshine came up with the breakfast idea, and I came up with the dessert.
It looks so good. Good spreading, Sunshine.
Thanks. Ta-da.
Great
Let's put
job.
these things on.
Like,
Oh, he just chucked them on like that.
yes. Oh. Let me put one. Yeah. And then you can add.
We don't have any cocoa powder, so I'm gonna put some Milo.
Yeah.
Chuck Milo.
Oh, I have to put the Milo on first.
Yeah, I told you.
Oh well, it doesn't matter.
Should I push it up here first? I was gonna fall.
Okay.
Oh, here.
Oh yeah, right. Ooh.
Okay, that looks like.
Delicioso.
Ta-da!
Okay. And then, want to call Daddy to cut it?
Yep. Yep, you can cut it.
Where's Daddy? Daddy!
Oh, that looks nice. Is that for
Happy
me?
Father's Day. You
Happy
can come.
Father's
You why don't
Day.
you go around this way?
Wow.
Okay, you can cut it. And there's like a hard
what's
biscuit layer on
this?
the bottom.
And what type of cake is this?
It's like a
Tiramisu?
Nutella cheesecake.
Oh, that looks nice.
Oh my
Yeah,
gosh,
and
it
the
looks so
biscuit
good.
on the bottom.
It's got biscuit down the bottom. Oh my gosh, you guys did such a good job.
Can I cut
Okay,
it?
yeah,
Cut
cut
it.
it.
Oh, I love cheesecake. It's my fave.
Oh,
Oh,
it's got the biscuit down the bottom.
Yeah.
that was,
Oh, yeah.
It's
yeah.
got this in the middle as well.
Okay. Oh, it's got that in the middle. Let's.
Yeah.
Show the cross section.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, looks so good. First slice, Daddy. Let's.
You can have it.
Oh, let's.
Let's get out the Chinese plates.
Oh, Johnny. Okay, why don't you have a taste
Yeah.
test? Okay, you can't see hubby's face, but he's got a face. Look at Mrs. face.
I don't want the biscuit yet.
Okay.
Oh, I got it. Oh, here we go.
I can't get hubby's face. I wish I could. Maybe. So I think it was a success. So thanks guys for watching this short vlog that, you know, we arranged for Father's Day where, you know, the kids cooked brekkie and, you know, made dessert and hubby obviously got his Cartier watch. So thanks. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Big thumbs up. Oh yeah, this is the Cartier watch. Thumbs up, and we will catch you in our next video. Bye.